Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I thought we'd do something a little different. Instead of making a cocktail with alcohol in it, we're going to make a mocktail or we're going to make a Virgin Piña Colada tonight. So I've got just a few ingredients and we'll go ahead and get started on our mocktail. So the first ingredient we'll be looking at is a cream of coconut. Now when you go to the store, they do have something called coconut milk. You do not want the coconut milk, you want the cream of coconut. And Coco Lopez is a good brand. They have other brands out there, but definitely when you're bidding this, you want to get cream of coconut, not coconut milk, cream of coconut. So that's going to be the first ingredient that we've got there. And then we've got some pineapple juice, and I've got some unsweetened organic pineapple juice, and I'm just going to give that a little bit of a shake. This could not be any easier than how this is going to come together so fast. So I've got a blender here, and we'll be using that. If you've got a high-speed blender, that works perfect. I'm going to give that one last little shake, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of my pineapple juice. And we'll put that right into the blender. Now with the cream of coconut, when you open the can up on this, you might see that if it's a little cool in your home, you might see exactly what we're going to see right here, where the coconut fat in that has solidified. And you can push in on that and you can see what that's going to do. So I just take a spatula here and just kind of give that a little bit of a mix through, because we want to mix all of that together so that we get the liquid from the coconut out of the bottom mixed in with the fat that's on the top. All right, so now that we've kind of got that incorporated in there, you don't have to really get too much of it mixed together. I just like doing that. That way you get the flavors from the fat that's in it and the coconut milk that's at the bottom. And then we're going to take and measure out 3/4 of a cup. And once you get the 3/4 measured out, we'll put that right into our blender. And I'm going to take my spatula and get all of that out of there. We want all of that goodness into our drink. All right, now that we've got our cream of coconut in there, I'm going to take 4 cups of ice. I've got 2 here, and I'm going to go grab 2 more. And we're going to put that into our blender. All right, I've got my 4 cups of ice in my blender now. Let's put the lid on it. And we're going to blend this down until it gets nice and smooth. All right, now that we've got our drink blended together, I've got my nice little tiki glass here. We're going to put our drink into that. And so on this side of the container here, this is making 48 ounces. So if you are using this for 4 people, then this would be about 12 ounces. This glass that I've got here is 14. So I'm going to put just a little shy to the top, and that would give me 4 of these drinks. Now that we've got our drink poured, let's put a little garnish on it to make it festive, like you were in one of those tropical locations. So I've got a pineapple here, and you can take the little fronds itself and just pull, and they will come out of the top, just like that. Once you pull these out, I'm going to take these to the sink and give these a little rinse, and I'll be right back. All right, now that we've got our fronds out, and I did give these a little rinse, you can actually put these in your drink like that on the side if you'd like to do that. And then we're going to take the pineapple itself, and I'm going to cut a couple of garnishes on that. So I'm just going to take the top of it off with my knife. And we'll set that to the side. And you want to slice this about maybe an inch, ½ inch, whatever you like. And we'll take that and I'm going to cut that into quarters. Now with that, what you want to do is take your knife and just come in from the bottom of it and just kind of cut a little slit in it like that. And you can use that to garnish your drink as well. Let's put it on this side so we can see our little leaves that we've got there. All right, now that we've got our pineapple garnish on there, you can take some of your favorite whipped cream that you got. If you haven't seen the video on what this is, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can actually put a little bit of whipped cream on the top of it if you like that to make it a little bit more festive on that. So we're going to put one of these maraschino cherries on the top, and these have the little stem. You can't have your favorite cocktail without a little umbrella to make it part of that tropical feel for it. And then we've got a straw. I've got one of these reusable steel straws here. There you go. You've got your mocktail or your Virgin Piña Colada. This could not be any easier. Let's give this a taste and see what it tastes like. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. I know you're going to love this recipe. And if you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And leave me a note in the comment section how your mocktail or your Virgin Piña Colada turned out. Or if you do anything different to it, I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give this drink a try. I know you're going to love it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now. Delicious.